want to make this video as short as possible. I ain't gonna be doing all that talking like those other guys. Bunch of nothing. If you find yourself the victim of a 2014 to 15, 16, 17 Chevrolet, GM, Malibu, or the other cars that comes in, it has a 2.5 liter Eco trim, and you're getting these alarms from P0016, 17, reduced power, check engine, service engine soon, sputtering, you having sluggish problems, it won't accelerate, won't stay running, rough idle, all that stuff. And you done like I did and went to the auto parts store and just chasing these codes. I changed the air filter, spark plugs, coil packs. I do recommend you do an engine flush, because this engine loves gunk, and the gunk the gunk will cause problems. But back to the point, I changed my battery. This is the engine right here. If you have oil leaks, don't panic. It's not a seal or anything like that. The culprit is not all these. It's not your PCV valves. It's not your CAMSHAFT position. It's not your O2 sensor. It's not your spark plugs. It's not these things right here that you can check. I forgot the name of them. I put 12 volts in to make sure they're sliding in and out. Another thing, if you open your cap when the engine's running and you're getting vapor coming out, the PC valve is working properly. If you take your air box off and you change your air filter and you just notice they have liquid oil inside your tube before it gets to the mass air sensor, don't panic. There could be PCV valve. I'm not an expert. I'm just telling you what I went through. I changed my EGR valves. I took these loose. They were plugged up inside there. Both of them. Clean those out real good. Flush the engine. Everything. Car will run good. A couple hours later, cold will come back on. Rough idle. Killing. When it does the auto start, it wouldn't start back up. Come to it. This is the culprit. This is called your vacuum pump. The video I posted before that is going to show you what happened to mine. But check this inside. Be careful with the little O-ring that comes off. But this is very vital. This will cause all leaks. It's called your PCV valves to not work right. It causes air, all to blow back into your air box, into your throttle body. It will cause your camshaft lobes and all this stuff to clog up because it doesn't have the vacuum on the engine. It causes these camshaft positioners right here, that one and the one in the back, that pain ass back there, cause all that to go bad. And also even affect your O2 sensor. Check that bitch. This is a piece of shit. You hear me? Excuse my language. $100 bucks, but $700 worth of headache. Hope I help you.